Launching coins on Uxento is extremely simple with uDev. Coins can be created in a number of ways, but the uDev Creator module is where you'll get maximum flexibility for creation. To access, simply click the Create button. In the uDev Creator module, you can configure a number of different advanced settings. To access, just click on the cog button in the top right of the panel. Within the advanced settings, you'll find a number of options such as bypass mode, which obscures the fact that your coin was created with uDev, which you can set from normal to advanced, to ensure it's impossible to detect your coin's association with uDev. Translation mode allows you to select the default language for your uDev translation button when assigning token names. For example, if we enter a token name and then click the translation button, it will translate into whatever language we've chosen. The quick vamp settings allow you to reconfigure which default launchpad and dev amount you'd wish to use when quick vamping, and you can also configure custom shortcuts for more efficient deploying. Just click on the action you wish to edit and input the keybind on your keyboard. A quick reminder that the fee for launching coins on uDev is 1%, among the lowest in the market for a platform of this caliber. Attaching custom images to your token launchers is extremely simple with uDev. When in the uDev Creator module, which you can access by clicking the Create button in the top right of your page, you'll notice an image selection area at the top of the panel. There are a number of options for custom images. You can press the plus icon to be taken to the image library, where you can add custom images and then name and tag them for future launches. To upload images, just click the upload button, or drag and drop the image you intend to use. You can also organize images into categories and color code them. You can generate custom ASCII artworks in a range of different styles and colors by clicking the ASCII button. Just enter your desired text, pick your styling, and then hit generate. Studio allows you to create artworks quickly with a very simple in-house editor. Pick from any of the presets, add your own images, text, or emojis for full personalization, and then hit save and use to attach it to your token. You can use the search button to look for images across image search engines such as Google Images. For example, if we search Trump, we'll get pictures of Trump. And lastly, hitting previous will allow you to reuse images from past launches. Did you know that you can easily translate your token's name into different languages using the translator in uDev's Creator module? Just enter your token name and click on the translate icon to have your token's name translated into one of 5 different languages. You can also quickly generate ASCII artwork for your token by clicking on the ASCII icon next to your ticker. uDev supports a wide range of launchpads across a number of blockchains for maximum flexibility and reach. On the Solana blockchain, uDev supports all major launchpads including Pump, Bonk, Jupiter Studio, and Bags, each platform with their own features and benefits. Breaking them down, exclusively on Pump Fun, you can use features such as the Mayhem mode, which provides artificial volume to a token, but should be used with caution, and you can also enable cashback for traders. This is especially great for bundlers and snipers. On Bonk, you can use the Bonkers mode, where creator fees will be used to perform automatic token buybacks, and you can also launch and trade with USD1 instead of Solana. Platforms such as Bags App and Pump Fun allow you to perform fee shares or splits. To do this, just click Fee Split for Pump Fun, and enter the wallet or GitHubs of up to 10 splitters, as well as the distribution, or click on Bags Fee for Bags and enter the usernames of up to 100 splitters. Platforms such as Pump Fun and Bonk allow you to have a vanity CA. Just click on the vanity button when launching and enter your base 58 encoded private key to use as the token mint address. Across most Solana-based platforms, you can snipe and bundle, auto sell, and multi-deploy. On the BNB chain, uDev supports deployment to both 4meme and Flap, both of which support uDev's auto sell and multi-deploy features. On the Monad chain, uDev supports launching with nad.fun and Flap, which both support multi-deploy, but when launching with nad.fun, you cannot auto-sell. And lastly, on the base blockchain, uDev deploys with Clanker, which supports both multi-deploy and auto-sell. Uxento always ensures to provide the best and most recent features within platforms, and often works alongside them in coordination to provide the best launching experiences. Did you know that uDev comes complete with both a sniper and a bundler for developers when launching tokens? In a world of cashback coins, this is how devs stay ahead. To set up your launch sniper and bundler, just click on the sniper/bundle button. It's important you have multiple wallets set up to facilitate the transactions. If you haven't created additional wallets, you can do so in your portfolio. When in the sniper and bundler configuration, just select which tools you wish to use or turn on both. You can assign up to 9 wallets to bundle with, all which buy in block 0 bundled with token creation. And you can assign up to 10 sniper wallets, all which buy between blocks 1 and 2. Bear in mind, others may buy ahead of your sniper. After you've set it up, you can save this configuration for future launches. Once you've configured your sniper and bundler, you can click deploy to launch your bundled token with an auto sniper. When you've launched with a bundler and sniper, you have handy preset buttons to quickly dump or buy more of your token. Multi-deploy is an extremely powerful feature within the uDev Creator Kit, which allows you to launch multiple coins simultaneously across different platforms from separate wallets. To set this up, when launching, just click the multi-deploy button. You don't need to have multiple wallets set up to execute multi-deploys, but it's recommended best practice to do so. You can create additional wallets in your portfolio tab. To configure multi-deploy, simply select how many additional coins you wish to launch, up to 10 max, assign which wallet they will be dev'd with, the dev amount per wallet, and which platform you wish to launch the additional coins on. Note that additional coins can even be launched across different blockchains with the inclusion of multi-deploy on Formeme, allowing for maximum reach. Once you've configured your multi-deploy settings, you can click deploy to launch multiple coins. For ultimate speed and efficiency, devs can use uDev's auto sell feature to automatically dump tokens at instant speeds. To enable this, when launching, just click the auto sell button and turn on dev auto sell. Configure the delay time between launch and sell, as well as the sell amount using these sliders here. You can also configure this to work in unison with your bundler or sniper. Just turn on the bundler, sniper, or auto sell, configure the timing and the sell amount, as well as the stagger, which is the delay in milliseconds between each wallet's sell. Once configured, when you launch your coin, the dev auto sell will trigger at the specified time frame and dump the intended amount. Did you know that you can automatically bring up a buy-sell panel when launching coins for quick and efficient trades? Just turn on the trade panel by clicking the trade panel button at the top of your uDev Creator module. When launching coins, the buy-sell panel will automatically trigger, allowing you to easily execute manual trades. The uDev Trades panel also features a chart view and handy trade presets. uDev has among the lowest fees in the market for a platform of this caliber, with a 1% coin creation fee and an 0.75% fee on trades.